Okay, so where do I begin? I love my blender. Like, I haven't used the food processor yet, so I'm gonna probably do like another video, another review on that part. But as far as these go, I bought it because of the to-go cups. I was like, I'm gonna change my life. I'm gonna start doing smoothies. Literally, so easy to use. It has the smoothie button right there, and that's what I bought it for, because I was like, I need to eat healthier. It's so much easier to drink your fruits and vegetables, honestly. And this works like a dream. It works like a dream. And okay, so my baby's crying, so I'm gonna make this really, really quick. I love this blender. I don't know how I lived so long without it. I've had my eye on it forever, and it's it was a great price. And yeah, it just changed my life. I post about it all the time, and now I have other people saying that they need one, and it's just a great product. In all honesty, like, it's easy to clean. I rinse it out. These are super easy.
I wanted to do a review on the Ninja blender that I just bought from Amazon. It has a couple different functions on here. You can do smoothie, you can crush ice cream, has a low, medium, high pulse. Turn it on, lights up beautifully. It does beep like that if you don't have this locked in. Once it's locked in, it just kind of lights all up. You can go ahead and take the cap off like this. Great. And it has this mixing blade inside that you can take out, put in the dishwasher, wash it separately. Has a wonderful pour spout function. Great, great, great. Love it. Best blender. Love it.
Bueno, o sea, por ejemplo, mira, el arroz, un ejemplo, lo pulveriza. Mira, el arroz lo deja pulverizado porque yo a veces he comprado harina de arroz para hacer recetas. Y sí, lo deja finitico, 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 mira. Y eso en la velocidad más bajita. Más bajita, o sea, y rapidito, o sea, eso no me tomó ni 5 minutos. Ahí dándolo, fueron como 3 minutos y medio, o menos, quizá. Entonces funciona bien, ni se calentó mucho, o sea, no se recalentó ni nada, ni nada, ni nada. Y mira, ve, media libra de arroz aquí, o sea.
When I tell you it's worth it and I wish I didn't spend all that money on the cheap ones, I mean it. I tried turning it on for this video and realized it has a safety feature. Look at the size of this thing. Like, I better not break that. Like, that's insane. I just washed it after using it, so bear with me. But look at this thing. It's not even that loud. And it made me the most perfect smoothie. 10 out of 10.
I have this in my display cabinet. That's how much I adore it. I am a cookie maker during the holidays, and this is...
Llegó la licuadora.
Un hierro la rompió. Cyrus.
Súper bien, realmente.